Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of 0 to 100. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. We are going to spend together an hour listening to great records, mostly underground music or music that you definitely won't be able to enjoy on mainstream media. Pretty much all the records are vinyl records, except maybe a couple of surprises that we have prepared for you tonight that haven't been released on vinyl yet. But yeah, it's going to be a good show. We have a live chat on YouTube. You can feel free to join the show. Let us know where you are connected from, and yeah, let us know what you think about the music we're going to share today. So, as you probably know, if you have joined the show before, 0 to 100 is a show that moves from sweet mellow vibes and then slowly moves to the end of the show when we reach the peak hour bangers time, when we share records that have, let's say, a little bit more energy. So it's an interesting ride. And today we chose a very special record to start the show. This is a record that was recently released, actually repressed and remastered and released once again on vinyl. And I'm talking about Moodymann DJ Kicks. This is a triple LP special from Detroit legend Moodymann. Back in 2016, he stepped up for the iconic DJ Kicks series with his very first multi-artist mix. True to his style, he's not about. This is not a project about rare collector records, but about feeling. In fact, blending soul, hip hop, deep house into a warm late night journey, I would say. These are 75 minutes of music, 30 tracks, and 11 exclusive edits, pure Moodymann mood. So we're gonna start off today's show by sharing this amazing release, and out of this incredible project, we selected Lady Alma with It's House Music. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned.
Catch the soul, so move. I know you love the groove. Feel it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, it's house music. It's house music. Feel it, do it, move it. It's house music. Yeah, you got to move your body. Feel it, do it, move it. Come on, it's house music. It's house music. House music all night. And this here gives joy and lifts up. You know you never get enough. Turn it up and act fool. Yeah. Shake your body and feel the groove. House music always make you move. House music always make you move. house music. I jack your body. Feel it, do it. You got to move it. Can't you feel the groove when you feel the groove? Feel it, do it, baby. It's house music, baby. Yeah. Got to jack your body, jack your body. Feel it, do it, move it. It's house music, house music. It's house music. All night long. It's house music, yeah. Music all night long. Say what? House music all night long. Say what? House music all night long. Say what? House music all night long. Well, let me jack your body. Feel it, do it, move it. It's house music, move it, move it. Come on. It's house music. Can you feel it? I want you to move it. Can you feel it? Why don't you do it? Just to jack your body, your body. Just let me jack your body and feel it. Do it, move it. It's house music, yeah. Come on and feel it, do it, move it. It's house music, yeah. House music all night long. Feel it, do it, yeah. It's house music. Can't you feel it all inside? Yes, so it's house music, yeah.
What a fantastic selection by Moodyman DJ Kicks. You might be able to still find a copy if you dig around. Lovely release on a clear vinyl, triple LP, definitely worth it. So welcome everyone, thank you for all of you that you are connected live in the chat. Welcome to the show. Today is going to be a jam-packed show. We have some amazing tune lined up for you. And it was actually tricky because we have, as usual, more inbound records than, time to share it. But yeah, we are 100% sure you're gonna love it. Up next, we have another interesting project by Jacob Dewar and Steve Roberts. This is a Body in a Body EP, and in 2023, Jacob Dwyer released a record that captivated listeners. His 1-hour audio drama, Tom's House, is hypnotic, surreal, and gave life with Steve Roberts to this powerful EP, released on the UK-based label Private Parts, featuring Canon HF10, the Baby Legit and Upside Down and Red Flowers. These are the names of the track. This is a sweet release. Surreal, poetic, and definitely unforgettable, I would say. So we're going to enjoy together one of the cuts from this release. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy!
HF10, yeah, that was the camera. Compact but wide with that zoom bit on the side. Cause I was just filming stuff, not thinking much, you know. Catching it on the camera, like I was just filming stuff, not thinking much, you know. Catching it on the camera. Tom would get in late like every other night from the pub, stumbling, and that was quite the sight. I was in the house just chilling with the camera, filming things, not thinking much, as I said. So Tom would get in late like every other night from the pub, stumbling, and that was quite the sight. I was in the house just chilling with the camera, filming things, not thinking much, until one night he demanded a fried egg sandwich. So I made him one, that's right. One night he demanded a fried egg sandwich. So I made him one. Real runny. With the yolk. Real runny. As he took that first bite, I caught him on the camera and zoomed in there with the HF10. So as he took that first bite, I caught him on the camera and zoomed in there with the HF10. And I think he knew I was filming, cause a little smile in the footage on his face does appear in that crease of the skin, moving past the cheek whilst the yolk dripping down from the tip of chin. I think he knew I was filming, cause a little smile in the footage on his face does appear in that crease of the skin, moving past the cheek whilst the yolk dripping down from the tip of chin. Quite the scene. Quite the scene. And again. From his nose onto his chin, the worms crept out, yeah, the worms crept in. From his nose onto his chin. Yeah, that sounds right.
Nice. Jacob Dwyer, Steve Roberts, A Body in a Body EP, released on Private Parts. The whole EP is unique, and I played all the versions on this EP on different sets, and the response on the dance floor has been great. You can actually check the last set that was released on Premiere last Saturday on our YouTube channel, and I'm playing exactly this track, so I'm not gonna tell you exactly which part of the set, but yeah, I encourage you to go and enjoy and deep dive, because it's an incredibly good one. So let's have a look who's joining live in the chat. Okay, welcome everyone. Feel free to interact in your favorite language. This is a multilingual show, so feel free to interact with what makes you feel comfortable in terms of languages. And let's take a minute to thank you. Thank you because, as some of you already know, we have a web store where we sell our merchandise. These beautiful t-shirts, these handy gadgets, and every year we give all the revenue that we get from the sales of these gadgets and clothing to IARC, which in Italy focuses on research and the fight against cancer. This is a cause that is dear to us, and so we try to do what we can to support it. So if you are curious about this, head over to ModeZero.xyz, click and tap on the menu, the merchandise tab, and you will be able to enjoy the wide selection of products and clothing that we have created. We refresh it every season, so in case you haven't had a look at it in a while, well, this is a good moment to give it a go. So ModeZero.xyz merchandise tab, thank you for your support. All right, so let's have a look. Hello everyone. What's up next? Up next, we have these 10-inch records. I'm actually going to show you this record because the label is quite simple, and on the other side there's nothing, because this is a limited edition of Eno 2 or Eno Square. I'm never sure how I should pronounce it, but the title is Endless and is unreleased. You might be able to find a copy of this record, and we shared it previously on another show. You really enjoyed it. I played it live in some of my sets, and it worked incredibly well. It's a blend of an interesting famous sample, and it came to life thanks to the cooperation of a good pool of artists led by Valterino, but not only. So definitely this is a project to keep your eyes and ears on. I'm not going to spoil it or take any more time. We're gonna enjoy together. Eno 2, Eno Square, Endless. Enjoy! Streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. 0 to 100, we're moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers.
I don't care who's doing better than me. I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only rival I have is the person I was yesterday. Last year, I was different. I've grown, I've learned, I've improved, and that's what truly matters. It's me versus me.
This was Endless, a special 10-inch that is not gonna leave my record bag anytime soon. How are you? Hello everyone in the chat and welcome to the show. How are you? Let us know how you like today's records. Welcome. Fantastic. So we have an incredible lineup of records today, and the next one it's a record that grabbed my attention since the first second I dropped the needle on it, and I'm talking about Marcel Detman, My Own Shadow Approaching, released on K7 Records. Of course, this is a new live project where music, film and photography collide. First EP, Approaching, dropped on November on K7 Records. Techno, ambient and pure energy you don't want to miss. Out of all the tracks and the cuts that we had on this release, I chose this one because is the one that, in my opinion, got a better traction, with the audience when I played it. But there are some very unique ones to enjoy on both sides. So take it all in. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. 0 to 100, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers.
connection, love that's pure, without projection, unconditional, without cause. That's what matters, that's our clause. No pressure, no force, just pure love. Unconditional, that's what we speak of.
Marcel Detman, My Own Shadow, approaching an incredible new release. All right, everyone. So I want to take a minute to talk about this YouTube channel. Let me share with you a couple of stats, I would say, a couple of interesting numbers. Because as you can see, the large majority of you enjoying this show haven't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel. So let me share with you a little bit about what you are missing out, because when you join this YouTube channel by subscribing to this YouTube channel, you're going to be the first one to know when we go live, when we release new shorts, when we release new videos. This YouTube channel is the first channel we update, is the first channel we use to share news about ModeZero, about XYZ Creative Center, and then the rest of the social channels follow. So if you want to stay tuned on the upcoming projects, behind the scenes, and all the latest releases, YouTube premieres, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. You're not gonna miss a beat, and you're gonna join a beautiful community of passionate music lovers. Subscribe and like your favorite videos. Okay. That said, now we are gradually moving into the upbeat part of this show, and the next one, it's an interesting release. It comes from Enrico Vivaldi. The title is Nina is Talking. And I bumped into it once I was following one of Enrico's updates on his social channels. And this release, basically, it's a stripped down reinterpretation inspired by Nina Kravik's iconic Curtain Twitcher remix. It's built around her sample words and pushed into a deeper, I would say, minimal, hypnotic direction. And this record hasn't been created for sales, as Enrico said. It's just released as a free gift for the dance floor and for you passionate music lovers. It should still be available on Enrico's Bandcamp page, so go and check it out. We are going to enjoy it together during today's show. And let's drop the digital needle on it. So this is Enrico Vivaldi, Nina is Talking. Take it all in. We are streaming live from the beautiful XYZ Creative Center in Conegliano, Italy. Nice, nice, great job. This was Enrico Vivaldi with Nina is Talking. Interesting original project, I would say. In case you don't know Enrico, I definitely encourage you to go and dig deep in his social profiles and Bandcamp page. There's something interesting boiling there, so stay tuned. All right. Very, very good. This is, well, it's an interesting one because Enrico recently joined, forces with another producer that you heard before on this show, and this is Schedule. So the next record is the 10th release on Nord Limited, and it's an interesting project because it's split between Schedule and Oho. Schedule brings deep hypnotic techno as usual, while Oho flips it with raw electro energy, forward-thinking production and built for the floor. Both sides are incredibly interesting. I personally chose this specific track, which is Mystic Drum by Schedule, because it has a unique feeling. I really like the way it's built, the sounds, the synths used, the arrangement. It's definitely hypnotic. So we are not gonna waste more time, we're gonna enjoy it. This is Nord Limited, the 10th release, and this is Mystic Drums by Schedule. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is 0 to 100. We are moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy! What a trip, what a trip. This was North Limited, the 10th release on the North Limited series with the Oho and schedule. This was Mystic Drums. Well done, well done. Keep up the great work, guys. We're gonna stay tuned and we're gonna keep on spinning these amazing records. Let's take 1 minute to talk about Flusso Music and to thank Flusso Music for supporting this show. Flusso Music is a new project entirely dedicated to underground emerging music that pushes boundary, explores new creative paths, and mainly is focused around music that break through the standard lines of creating music. This is a project founded and created by me and Matteo Salviato. It's still running in its beta phase, so if you're curious about it, head over to flussomusic.com and sign up for our newsletter. You're gonna be the first one to know when we're gonna open up the doors for the rest of the world, and you're gonna be the first one to know all the insights behind this amazing project. If you are a producer and you have some new ideas that break away and move from standard ways, standard sounds, and standard approaches of making electronic music, get in touch with us, flussomusic.com. Excellent. So, up next, we have a record that I absolutely adore. It's Paranoid London, Water Machine, Decimated Driver. Fresh from festival stages and riding the new groove and Melbourne buzz, Paranoid London drops a Decimated Driver. Side A, is a thumping chant with Glasgow Water Machine. Side B, darker, dubby and club ready. I'm happy to share these notes because I already tested this record on the dance floor and it's a true bomb, like both sides. Speaker teasers, beware. Let's enjoy one of the cuts together. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned. Paranoid, London Water Machine, Decimated Driver, a fantastic release, an amazing project. Definitely give it a go and check out also the other side of this amazing record. We have definitely entered the peak hour bangers part of the show with this record. And up next we have another special one. I've been waiting for this record for quite a while. I finally managed to get a copy, and I'm talking about Repetitive Rhythm Research. This is FW2526, is a triple record, jam-packed with boss tunes from the first one to the last one. And it's a compilation of 12 tracks, 12 artists, zero copy-paste techno, from dark slow burners to futuristic and Detroit inspired cuts. It's diverse, it's raw, and pushing things into, I would say, new territory. Definitely one to dig into. Out of all these amazing cuts, I chose to share with you a special one. The track is made by Conrad van Orton. The title is Plaintive Drift. Let's enjoy it together. We are streaming live from beautiful Conegliano, Italy, from the XYZ Creative Center. This is 0 to 100. We are moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy! What an incredible release, what an incredible release. Definitely hypnotic, trippy, minimal, and with this crispy, refined synths that really, grab you. They don't let you go until the end of the track. Well done, fantastic, fantastic release. So we are basically almost at the end of today's show. So I want to take a minute to share with you the program for this month, the list of live premieres that you will be able to enjoy on our YouTube channel. The month started with a DJ set by me, ModeZero vinyl DJ set that was performed at the Museo Burrell in Belluno. A fantastic, fantastic event on our YouTube channel. On the DJ set playlist, you will be able also to find the DJ set from that unbelievable evening made by Pauler, Daniele De Marchi, Gabriele J, and Marco Zangrando. Today, of course, we have 0 to 100, and then on the 14th of March you have the last set of this Museo Burrell series that you will be able to enjoy. Is going to be the back-to-back between Marco Zangrando and Gabriele J. Vinyl DJ set packed with pure energy. Don't miss that. March the 14th and 1:30 p.m. On the 21st of March, 8:30 p.m., we have the Artist Spotlight of Skim Stones. This is a live electronic duo. Is the first time they share something with the world, and I encourage you to stay tuned on that. You will be able to find out more about this duo, and on the same week we're going to have the live premiere of Skim Stone, recorded at the Basement in Belluno, an amazing project by Ilasi. And we're closing the month with a DJ set still recorded at the Basement in Belluno by Cristina Geretti. Cristina really pushed things in a different direction, sharing interesting gems that she wouldn't normally share in some of the sets she plays at other usual venues. So that's going to be a true gem. Awesome, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and like your favorite videos, share them with like-minded friends. This is a growing community of passionate music lovers, so you are welcome. Stay tuned. Excellent. This brings us to the end of today's show, and for the last record of today's show, I chose a special one, a special peak hour banger. I'm talking about Store Soundchecks 1 by Speedy J. This is the first release in the Store Soundcheck series. These are 4 raw recordings captured during Speedy J's live soundchecks. No polish, no big plan, just patterns being built, effects dialed in, and spontaneous moments that sometimes outshine finished tracks, I would say. What you're about to hear is exactly what's happening in his headphones before the show begins. This is a true gem. As you can see, the record doesn't even have a label. It's raw, it's genuine, and it's jam-packed with amazing vibe. We're gonna enjoy together one of the cuts. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Take it all in. Enjoy. This was Soundcheck's #1 Store by Speedy J, a fantastic release. There's also a Soundcheck 2 if you like this one, so definitely head over to the Bandcamp page and deep dive because these are true gems. Thank you for tuning in and join us during our live show today. It's been an amazing ride. We've shared tons of great records that you probably won't hear anyone else. So if you enjoyed the show, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, liking the videos you enjoyed the most, and share them with your friends. We are going to be back next month with more music, with more vibrations, so with that we say bye for today, but stay tuned because next month we're gonna be back. Bye bye.